Hello, class 4th. How are you all? Hope you all are well. This is Neha Kapoor, your SST teacher. So, students, we continue with the same chapter 11, Transport and Communication. So, we were doing modes of transport. In last class, we have done with the roadways. So, today we'll start with the railway. First of all, I would like to tell you about the Indian railway system, that it is the largest railway system in the Asia and it is the fourth largest in the world. So, now you can well imagine that this Indian railway system is a huge network, right? So it is the best mode of transportation for both the passengers and the goods. It is used for multiple activities like business, pilgrimage, sightseeing, etc. It is the most comfortable means of transport because it provides safety to the passengers, right? And it is fastest and it covers the whole country, and it is quickly carries the things and safest mode of transport also. So large amount of commodities are carried through this transportation and to the industries and market for sale within the country. It accelerates the development of industry and agriculture. Accelerate means it increases the development, because if it carries a large amount of commodity in different cities covering the whole country, so it is helping the country also in its development of industry and agriculture. And special trains are used. These are called good trains because it carries the goods from one place to another. These are the special trains known as also good trains. Also it carries the goods, and it is the largest public sector undertaking also. I have mentioned few points, important facts. First train was started from Mumbai to Thane in 1853. It was only for 34 kilometers only. And the Indian Railway, organized into 16 zones. It has different headquarters in different cities, and was started in the British rule in India. Next, we study about the different types of train. There were three. There are three: super fast, express, and third is slow. These are the different types of trains which uh, started in India, and it provide all the comforts to the passenger. It has different compartments in the train. These are the few examples. Rajdhani and the Shatabdi Express are the fastest and the most luxurious trains in India. And second is your the Palace on Wheel. It is a luxurious train, right? And it attracts a lot of tourists from different countries. Foreigners come in use this trains a lot, and it provides all the facilities over there. Basically, this train show the glimpse of the culture of the state of Rajasthan, so it attracts foreigners a lot. And second is your Deccan Queen. It is also the luxurious train, right? It connects some major tourist spots of Maharashtra. It is a luxury train. As I told you, these both trains are luxury trains, and it attracts a lot of foreigners from different countries. So we are done with this railway system. So class, I'll provide you assignment now. So complete that and take care of yourself. Thank you.